Every weekend, I have a cycle of salvage shops, junkyards, and antique stores that I visit around the county, searching for fire alarm products. This weekend's goodies are kind of cool. Let's check them out. So the stuff today comes from this little antique shop in the middle of nowhere that I decided to pick this stuff up from. I thought it was cool, so I went ahead and got it. So the first item today is actually a sprinkler box. These are used on fire alarm systems to hold spare sprinklers if one of them breaks. And so you stick spare sprinklers in it. This one's from like 1990s-ish, late 90s, early 2000s. Kind of fun. And it's from a San Francisco-based company, A Total Fire Protection. They service some stuff in my area sometimes. But yeah, I thought it was kind of neat to pick out. And when I opened the box, I was pleasantly surprised to find a couple fire sprinklers. So I now have some fire sprinklers to mess with, which is kind of fun. I don't think I'm going to set these off anytime soon, but they're kind of cool to have. As you can see, we have a CSC fire sprinkler here. And this looks like it's 155 degrees fixed fire sprinkler, which is pretty cool. And then let's get that in the frame. There we go. And then the second fire sprinkler here we have is a central fire sprinkler. It says, ooh, it even has a date stamp, 1999. This is 165 degrees, so it will go off when the fire reaches 165 degrees. And then we have a second one of those, which is pretty cool, that goes off at the same temperature rate. So I have 3 fire sprinklers here in this little box, which is kind of fun. Now the second thing we have is really awesome as well. It is a Breco fire alarm bell, which is kind of neat. This is a 6-inch bell, so what this is used for is residential houses. There's a new code in the state where if there's a new built house, it has to have a sprinkler system. So this is what this bell is used for. So if we open it up, it's a nice, decent sized bell here. Has a very nice tone to it. And as you can see, it's brand new. The wires haven't even been unwound. And it comes with this little sprinkler plate here, which is kind of fun. So you can go ahead and stick that on there. And just so this video isn't that boring, I'm going to go ahead and install this on my system. We're going to put it up on the board here, so it should be pretty cool. And lastly, we can go ahead and put our sprinklers in. Conveniently, there's 3 little things here, so we can go ahead and stick these right in the little holes, just like this. Ta-da! Well, hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video here. Look forward to seeing this stuff being used soon. And with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course subscribe to the channel.